G'day everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing an interesting thing that I bought. It's these chicken wing looking things. It's silicone invisible height increasing insoles. They feel really nice and squishy. So this is a weird purchase, and I got them because the ad popped up on my Facebook, and I see many trending products, many ads for trending products like the posture devices or growing your hair, just anything that kind of targets someone's not insecurities, because posture is not an insecurity, but someone's look, someone's physical look. And this came up recently once, and I thought, that'd be interesting to get. So bought these pretty cheap off eBay for about 15 bucks. I see they're on Amazon as well, and I'm just on the Amazon site for one of these, and the reviews are really bad. But I'm going to review these for you. I'm going to put them on and show you how they're meant to work. Now, the reason they're called invisible insoles is because they go on your feet and then you can put socks over the top of them. Now, what's strange is that I'm not sure if you're meant to actually put these on and then wear shoes. Yeah, I'm aware of shoe lifts that exist. That's probably what you would use if you wanted to fake increase your height if you're wearing shoes. These are geared more if you're not wearing shoes, if you're wearing socks. I don't know, maybe they think people are going to a sleepover or something and you're not having to wear shoes. So I'll show you how that works. What's funny is that, in our society, it's getting to the point where you can't really it's not socially acceptable to make fun or discriminate based on things like weight or disability or age. But I feel like height is still something, there's still discrimination that happens due to height. Like, females usually want to date someone taller. Guys sometimes would rather date someone who's not taller than them, but taller than shorter people. So these discriminations happen and exist in our society, which is why you have these dumbass products like this that come around. And I posted this. I posted like a little mini video of this on my TikTok, and it went crazy. People are tagging their friends, oh, you should get this, you should get this, which means like people inherently do want to be taller. Like, it's generally a good thing to be taller in our society, whether it's for sport or whether it's just to look better, which I think is ridiculous. I think if you're a normal, healthy human being in a normal, healthy height, shouldn't matter. Alas, society, that's what society thinks. Anyway, no more ranting about society. I will show you exactly what you do with these and the difference that they make. Okay, first to put them on. So I'm wearing socks, so we'll take my socks off. And then how you put them on is like a sock. You just thread your foot through like that. And then they just sit on the ball of your foot, like so. So I will show you the exact difference that they make. So this is what I look like with nothing on my feet, barefoot. Chuck these on. And these are meant to give you 4 centimeters of height, which is a bit over 1 inch. 4 centimeters doesn't sound like a lot, but it is noticeably different. Are these comfortable? I could stand in these for a while, but they slide. There's no support. So that is what I look like with them on. 4 centimeters taller. Now the key thing is with these, if you want them to be invisible, is will socks fit nicely over the top of them? And that is it, that is wearing socks. So as you can see, that is why they call it invisible, because you can't tell. But as I said, there's no support. You can't run in these, but you could wear these for a few hours and no one will be the wiser. Okay, now I want to see if I can fit my foot in the shoe with these on. And you know what? It's pretty hard. Okay, it squishes in. It's really... They are a bit more comfy when you have them in the shoe. There's a bit more support from my shoe. And then it feels like my foot, my heel is sort of on a silicone waterbed, if that makes sense. So I won't say they're too uncomfortable. I wouldn't want to run in them, but as I said, my shoe's providing quite a bit of support. Turns out that if you wear these in a shoe, they're a bit more comfortable and there's a bit more support from the shoe. However, what I do find is I feel like I'm sinking into it. So it's not even, you're not even getting the height benefit anyway. It's like you're pushing down into it. But it does give you a bit of boost in height. However, if you're gonna be wearing shoes anyway, you might as well just get shoes that have a bigger heel, like boots, like Timberlands, or just get shoe lifts which are more supportive and more stable. Or as I suggest, just embrace your height and have more confidence. But for whatever reason, if you do need to wear these, try to do it with shoes. But yeah, I think you're gonna get maybe an inch tops, 3 centimeters in extra height. So if it's really worth the pain of walking around with these all day, basically wearing high heels, and that's up to you. Okay, well hopefully that gives you an idea of what these height increasing insoles look like and what they will do. My recommendation is don't buy these, they're useless. I mean, if you want an extra 4 centimeters in height, just buy some Timberlands, buy some boots that will give you 4 centimeters of height without having to basically risk breaking your ankle with these. However, as I said, I think these are designed to be used if, for whatever reason, you're doing something or going to a social thing where shoes won't be around, you can't wear your shoes, but you can wear your socks. Then if you really need them, you'll probably survive wearing this for about half an hour to an hour. After that, you're just gonna look like an idiot. Someone's gonna see and notice these because you're gonna walk funny. And yeah, I think it's just a stupid purchase. Just have confidence in who you are, you know? But, you know, that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is to review these. So I've reviewed them. I do not recommend buying them, but hey, it's funny that these even exist. It's a funny concept. So feel free to share this video with any of your friends that would also find this humorous. Anyway guys, that will be the video for today. What do you think of the height increasing insoles? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of my content, don't forget to subscribe. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.